Yesterday we have hello student. Yesterday we have learned about the different tags: pre tag, I tag, B tag, U tag, and different type of tags we have already learned. But today we will take some different tags. Before that, starting the different tags explanation, we will see in revision part with the pre tag. You can see over the screen the example of pre tag before the output and after the output of the taking the text within the pre tag. You can see the output also there. B tag is there, I tag is there, U tag is there also. You can see the B tag is useful for displaying the text in the bold manner. The U tag is useful to show the text in with the underline, and I tag will be useful to show the text with the italic format. So today we will take the different example with the different tags. The tags are big tag, small tag, strike tag. Big tag is useful for display the text in the big format, larger text. For by using the small tag, you can display the text in the small format or display the smaller font size text. You can see over the explanation, big tag is a big, the text enclosed within the starting tag and ending tag displayed in the larger font. So you can see the text and ending tag. So the text enclosed in between the big tag and ending of big tag, the text will be displayed in the larger size, larger font. It already the size is the largest tag is ignored. We can give the font size in with the +1 with which will be useful for showing the text in the larger form also. So we can format the different text with the big tag also. Small tag will be useful to display the text in the smaller format. Smaller font will be displayed over your web page. Small tag has some effect as the font size -1. You can give the font tag also with the text by giving -1 inside the size. By minimizing, it will be useful for minimizing the text over the web page. Strike tag, it is the tag which will be useful to give the strike through effect to the text. If we write the text within the strike tag, it will display the text with the strike effect as the line drawn in between the middle of the text that will be shown over the web page with the cancelled word. If you want to cancel specific word or the sentence or the paragraph from your web page, it will be displayed with the strike through effect. Strike means cut that type of sentence with the help of horizontal line in between the character at the middle of the sentences or the word. You can clearly. But another tag is there. The tag name is strong tag. Strong tag is useful. The image is not showing over the screen, but I will show you the output of the strong tag. So today we will learn that what does the strong tag useful for the HTML. Strong tag is useful for showing the text in the strong format, bold format. It is similar to the tag B tag. There are the two tags that are very similar. EM tag means emphasis tag, and strong tag that means the to showing the strong text means bold text. I will show you the output for that. You can see over your screen EM tag and strong tag is there. You can give the strong tag to any sentence whenever you needs it. In the output section or the input section will be helpful you to show the explanation of the text in details. So you can be clearly understand with the tag, emphasis tag will be useful to give the text in the emphasis manner. That means the text will be shown in the italic format, and the strong tag will be useful to show the text in the bold format. So the two formats are similar. EM format is similar to I tag and strong tag is similar to the B tag. You can see a sentence at the top with the strong tag, and the another sentence we can see with the different color. You can see very clearly over your screen the different tags and their explanations also with the different type of example. You can take your own example for displaying the text explanation at the exam at your notebook also. You can practice over your computer about that tags. The next tag example is marquee tag. Marquee tag is very important, very attractive, very interesting tag, because the text written inside the marquee tag that will be displayed with the scrolling at the web page. You can scroll your text, means movement of the text from one place to the another place will be helpful with the marquee tag. Marquee tag can explain the different attributes also. It having the behavior attribute, height attribute. You can set the different type of scrolling amount is there that will be shown the text in the different manner. You can give the behavior with the scroll, behavior with the allied. You can give the behavior with the alternate. Alternatively, it can be moved from one place to the another place. You can give the directions also, up, down, left and right. You can set the different direction as per your need. You can useful this marquee tag for your future also. Maybe in the future, if you making the website, in that website you can take such a marquee tag for getting attractive interface with the client also. You can face the different type of peoples with your website by using the marquee tag that will be helpful for scrolling the text from one place to the another place. So we will see another image about the marquee tag. The HTML is the text written in between the marquee tag, starting of marquee tag and ending of marquee tag. You can write that such type of code inside the body tag, in between the body tag. You can display your web page with the great attractive faces in front of the others. The marquee tag will be very useful so maybe in the future it will be mostly useful for doing some different type of operations. You can see over the screen with the different explanation of the marquee tag. You can see the marquee tag will make text scroll across the page like stock market ticker. Stock market ticker generally and regularly moves from one place to the another place, can be moved from bottom to top, or the price of different share changes differently while at the time of share market the price changes repetitively. Scrolling of that such type of ticker we can show with the marquee tag. You can create your own website with the different applications with the different purposes. There are several attributes for the marquee tag. Loop. The marquee will stop after the number of time looped. We can give the different loops for the marquee. So for scrolling one place to the another place up to the specific time of loop, you can give the loop is equal to 5. So scrolling will be up to the looping of 5. It will stop after 5 loop. You can give automatical loop. It will continuously looping up to computer start the website. But if you give the specific number of loop to the given text, it will be loop up to the required number of loops. So you can give the different number for the loop. You can set the 10, you can set the 12, you can give any number of loop to the text. you should have to enter the loop number inside the marquee tag. So it is as similar to the attribute given to the marquee tag. You can set the color also with the marquee bg color. Here 00ff is the different color given. You can see the color over your screen. That color will has already given in the given example. So from the today's topic you have already learned about the strong tag, big tag, small tag. Also we have learned about the different tags by naming with the different. You can see the image over your screen. One scrolling sentence is there that will be useful as the marquee command. By giving the marquee tag in between the text, you can scroll like that. The scrolling of the text you can see over your screen very easily. The text is moving from one place to the another place. So student, thanks for watching today's lecture. So I hope that you understood that type of concept marquee. But if you don't understand that type of concept, if you don't understood my videos also, you can send me the comment section. You can send me the different your problems at the comment section and attach with me with this channel. So I hope that you will write the different topics into your notebook. You will take the notes from your textbook also. You will see different type of videos, different type of materials over the internet also, and gather the different information and write it in your notebook also. I will see the notebook of all student whenever school will start. Okay, thank you student, thanks for watching.